Evolution of Elian Script by C.C. Elian. How this became this. Both use the same code for representing the letters of the alphabet and to write words in English. Let's just go back to the beginning. I wanted to create a code and saw a 9-square grid with the alphabet distributed inside. I noticed that each box has its own shape. These are the 9 individual sections. 9 boxes with 3 letters each equals 27, enough to represent the entire alphabet. In every box, a 1, 2, or 3 can indicate a specific letter. Here we have box 1. This is the earliest version, using the box sections and numbers. With some letters, I used their common walls. The upper right shows them separately. The numbers drift out of the boxes. The lines lengthen and lean forward. Dots instead of numerals. Dots need less effort to write. 2 dots would bleed into a line, so 2 becomes a dash. 1 is a dot, 2 is a dash, a dot and a dash are 3. The square center box becomes a circle, smoother to form and still shows the enclosed space of a square. The dashes for 2 start to slant. Then the dashes connect to the boxes and start to curve. The dot for a 1 disappears. The first letter is now indicated by equal box lines. The letters can be on different baselines. This word is variations. No more joined letters. Each one is formed separately. This word is dwelling. Words can be written horizontally, left to right. This word is vision. Or vertically top to bottom. This word is adventure. Sentences also can be written horizontally, left to right. Or vertically top to bottom. The 3 basic rules are now set. Rule 1. Clear line length ratio. Be equal or unequal. Any side can be lengthened and lines can be at an angle. The writer decides the line's length. This is the word as. Rule 2. left to right letter sequence within a word. The word here is balance. And top to bottom when baselines drift. The word is compassion. Rule 3. Clarity of dot or dash association to indicate the third letter of a box. This word is suspense. A dot or dash can be anywhere, as long as it's clear where it belongs. This is the letter S. The basic structure of Elian's script, with grid to cursive correspondence. The word is another. With set rules, the writing is increasingly free and has a name. Elian script. As with Asian calligraphy, the line can loosen and become its own art form. Wherever I am, written loosely, still exerts the tension of its meaning upon the writer, a psychosemantic tension that is absent when making a randomly loose line. There's a PDF at ccelian.com. Copyrights 2022, C.C. Elian.